AOC Global presents The Road to Nine. Through this program, I will be working with different artists such as Subhash Viman Gurania. Subhash is popularly known as a soloist, as a dancer who creates work on other dancers. But what is not really known about him that he's actually an incredible editor. He's learnt this himself, he's self-taught, and he has the ability to be able to understand what dance needs, how we as dancers need to be able to convey our message through this medium. Melissa Ugolini, a dancer who is originally from Italy. Melissa had originally trained in ballet and has transitioned into contemporary movement. She's a dancer who understands the metamorphosis of change and what it means to change from a form that is classical to a form that belongs to contemporary society. How do you make something which is from a different era feel more relevant in today's world? Nikki Wells, an extraordinary composer, singer, songwriter who I've worked with on countless occasions. She is an eclectic mix within herself of experiences, of cultures. She's someone for me who challenges the sense of stereotype. She's a singer who sings in multiple languages, who's able to understand the language of the soul. Nikki's cinematic approach has the ability to pull on the strings of the heart. She will share with you her approach to global music. Aditi Mangaldas, an extraordinary powerhouse of energy. Above and beyond the energy, Aditi always questions life around her. Diving to the depths of the ocean to be able to find answers to questions that give birth to more questions. Aditi's never been on a quest to resolve, but the quest itself has been a question mark about existence and life. She shares with you in the series her response to the environment around her and her response to the future. Gizem Aksu, a dancer and a political activist. She has always used her body as a compass to be able to navigate through this world. She's used her experience and her understanding about life and the society that we live in. Hiren Chate, a tabla player extraordinaire, a composer in his own right, he explores the sense of microbeats. How do these small microbeats, these fragments, contribute to the console of the body? Hiren explores the sense of these microbeats through tabla, through rhythm, through the pulse of life. Kesha Raithatha, a dancer who has been born and brought up in the United Kingdom, but who has travelled between two worlds and more. Kesha has worked throughout various companies throughout the globe, especially in India. Being a British Asian dancer, she's able to combine this aspect of her knowledge of the West and the East and to create a sense of a hybrid that is able to navigate in today's world. Nirvay Singh Rai, seeing life through the lens of the other. Nirvay has an innate ability to be able to show you life from different perspectives. Life from his own perspective, but to be able to give focus to subjects that are sensitive and politically charged.